Bowling with the family. It's your boy Too Long. Where we going? Where we going? What's up, baby? With the fam, you heard? I'm gonna hit y'all when we get to the bowling. Wow. Come on, baby. We out here ready to get jiggy. I mean, got my young boy Julian. It's my oldest son. And my young boy Cash, my middle child. And we missing one more. We missing Chancey, but I'm here waiting for my brother and my sister to pull up again. My young boy started tripping, trying to run on the lane. What, you mad at me, baby? Nah. You can't run over there, baby. You're gonna slip and fall. You gonna win, Julian? You gonna win? You gonna beat me? No, you're not. Here. What's your name? Where you from?
Man, take line right, you know, Jersey, South. You know what's up?
Say a little louder.
What's your vlog channel called? What's your channel called? Too Zone, baby?
Yeah, Too Zone.
Yeah, make sure y'all tap in.
Tap in, you heard?
But yeah, we out here. We ready to get this bowling joint started, you feel what I'm saying? Got my young boys with me.
What's your name? Where you from?
I'm from New Jersey.
What's your name?
Julian Hudson Stewart.
Look at the camera.
Huh?
Look at the camera. You talking to the people.
What's up, people?
Me? You about to get busy on this bowling job?
Yeah.
Hey.
Ready? They said
Mom and Pop, you heard?
y'all want bumpers up?
Nah, we don't need no bumpers. Come on now.
It's just Alex. You.
Warm up, gotta warm up. But I'm gonna hit y'all in a little bit. I'm gonna show y'all what the score is, you heard? I'm gonna win. Right, baby?
I'm gonna win.
Right, baby?
I'm gonna win. I'm 100% positive.
We about to say see y'all later.
See y'all later, people.
Say what's up, Aiden. Say what's up to YouTube. Hey, why you looking crazy?
Today we playing bowling.
Huh?
Today we playing bowling.
You hear what he said?
No.
He said today we playing bowling.
Oh, we playing bowling? Go ahead, talk to the people. Say we playing bowling today.
We playing bowling today with my ear.
Your ear hurt? I hope you feel better.
You know what I mean?
I mean, we're gonna come up.
Losing, but
we're gonna come up and got 1 for 1.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, 4 for 4.
Word up for a special.
Alright, what's good with the bull?
You want me to do the moonwalk?
Let me see. Go ahead. Go ahead. Let me see. Hey, hold on. Let me get down there. Hey, hold up. Moonwalk official. Stop playing with my boy.
You gonna get the beats? You got the beats?
Got the feet. You got the feet.
And I got this.
So like, what's good with you? Like, what you got coming up?
Winning though. Y'all
What
know
you,
winning though.
what you got coming up? Nah, what you got coming up?
Look at the score.
All right, we gonna do the score. Nah, nigga. Nah, nigga, what you got?
We're gonna do the I was gonna say we're gonna talk about the music shit at the crib.
Alright, like I really like as y'all can see, man, I'm up here losing. Let me zoom in for y'all. What's the matter? Another one's gonna come on. It's YouTube. No, he not. Yeah.
Told y'all, man, I got more content coming for y'all, man. Little vlogs with the family, with the young boys, all that.
We are sipping on the finest. My joint over there, my young boy. He over there whining for something. He about to be 3 in a couple weeks.
What's up, guys?
What's good with you? When you starting your YouTube channel?
I don't know.
And like, what you gonna call it? Like, what's your name? Like, what they?
Julian.
Susan and Julian?
Yeah.
That's crazy. When your birthday though?
In summer.
In the summer?
Yeah.
In August, right? August what?
Okay.
You better know your birthday or I'm gonna hook you.
When is it?
Bro,
Is it August?
you messing my video up, bro.
Is it August 3rd?
You messing my video up,
Is
bro.
it August 3rd?
You're messing my video up. If you don't know your birthday, get out my face.
Is it August 3rd?
Get out my face. If you don't know your birthday, get out of my face.
August.
Bye.
No, hold on.
No,
hold
bye.
on. Hold on.
Bye. I want to talk to you.
Subscribe and like and make it hit
All right. Well, you can tell everybody that when you know when your birthday is.
It's not my fault that you
It
got
is your
yelled.
fault. You know when your birthday. You should know that. Watch out.
That's why you always think Peter.
What? Come here.
Huh?
Roberto, when your birthday? Who winning over here? Oh, the game over? Who won? Who won?
Me and Daddy tied. I won though. They're doing cheated.
You cheated?
They're doing cheated, bro. For real.
Say what's up, Zion. You ain't say nothing to the YouTube. Like,
They're doing cheated.
they cheated?
I knocked down like I had 4 pins left. That joint picked up all the pins and then gonna give me a whole new set.
That joint draw.
Like what happened?
What, as the last one?
Yeah. It didn't count my balls though.
You know, that joint drawing.
It counted 3.
You ready to eat your pizza, baby? You gonna eat your pizza? You gonna eat your pizza? You handsome baby. Go ahead. Let's go. Let's go. How you feeling? How you feeling? You balling up?
Say hi.
What you sipping on? That's sangria?
Now I forgot what this is.
That shit slap though?
It's alright. I forget what it's called though. What is that called? Forbidden fruit.
Or
Slappy
was
Gabby.
that the same joint I had? We got the same
You
joint?
had that shit?
Me and you and Tay had the same joint?
Nah, Tay had a good one though, didn't he?
Nah, Zion had the
Oh, you know what? He probably had Southern Drum.
Yeah, that's what I had.
Yeah, that one. He said that one was good. Yeah, like I said.
So like, how you feel about your bowling attributes?
Well, I beat you, so I'm good.
How you feel about your bowling attributes? What that
That's all I'm
mean?
saying. That's all I got to say.
Come on. Let me see they scored. My brother is winning. And my mom got second place. And I'm losing still. I'm in second place, but I'm losing. Boy right there at the bottom. I'm like, bad luck.
Bad luck.
Come on now. Come on, mom. Cut it. She like
She all like I suck. Like I'm over here, my kids here. I'm attending to the kids. You heard?
Can I go first?
Like, y'all don't even know what I mean. Y'all don't even know what's going on over here. How you feel about your bowling attributes today?
I think I'm doing pretty bad, but that's okay because this is like my first time.
What's your name? What's your name? Zion up there? Her name is at the bottom. Yeah, 24.
Not that far back.
You're behind though. You're never leave me behind.
Y'all be bowling, I don't know.
I said my mom was in second. My dad is in second. I'm tripping. You alright, baby?
Yeah.
Love you.
There. It's my birthday on June 6th.
Bro, your birthday is August 6th.
Oh.
You understand that? You about to be 8. You're supposed to know that, like back of your hand.
August 8th. No.
Right.
It's
Right.
August 6th.
I'm ready to beat him up, yo. He always playing around, like. But that's how I was when I was a kid. So I don't play too much.
You ain't ready to do nothing with it though, again.
About to warm up.
You ain't ready, I mean,
warm up in the collarbone.
you ain't ready to do nothing special with that, John. You ain't ready to do nothing special with that shit. Alright, my boy got strike with that
August
thing.
6th.
You heard? You heard that's what he do. You heard?
August 6th.
Oh, alright, talk that
June
word.
6th.
Bro,
August
I'm
6th.
ready. I'm ready to jab you. So who winning though? Who winning right now? I mean, I had to come back and really show niggas what was good. Like, stop playing with me. 86er in the lead. This is the last game that we ready to be out. We was lit, you feel me? Whole gang was here.
You know what I'm saying? I got more vlogs on the way. You feel me? It's 2-zone game.
Hey, baby. Hey, baby.
Yeah. Where Lincoln? Oh.
Let's go, you king. Shit, rolling up. Nigga, bonnet game, you feel me? You know the vibe. You don't gotta be like, you feel me? Bonnet game. Learn that. Get bread. Bonnet.
Get bread. Get bread.
Big pack. I don't know nothing about that.
Rippy.
Nah. Juicy. It's like, nah. Zion.
Right.
Zion. You feel me? Let's get with y'all though, man. It's your boy 2-zone. Out here with the fam. You know what I mean? Regular, daggler, smagular, you dig? My boy, you know what I mean? Taylon Ray, he got some work coming soon. You know what I mean? To your boy 2-zone got some work coming soon, you heard? Some R&B joints, you know what I mean? Brody got the joints in the cut. It's sun in my face beaming, but
We out here. Look at my young boys. I mean, it's my young boy Link.
Aiden. Wow.
let's go, 2-zone, Julian. What's up? Let me see that arm. Hey. Yeah, let me see that joint. Yeah.
What's up, baby? Hey.
So when you starting your channel, y'all? Soon? Next weekend? You gonna start your channel next weekend? Alright, well we gonna do it then, gangster. Well, I know you hot, yeah. Julian. Over here. Come here. Come here. Hey, my baby. Go, 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 go. Go, baby, go. Yay. Say hi. Good YouTube, it's your boy Two Zone, baby. I appreciate y'all for tuning into my vlog. You feel me? I got more family vlogs on the way, more vlogs with my children. You feel me? We lit, we up. Get me up there. Keep subscribing, liking, smashing that button. Turn them post notifications on. You feel me? Rock with your boy. We out.
Yeah. They said the money don't make you a man. A solid nigga, keep them blue faces and rubber bands.